blogger, and he used to communicate
kitendo hiki ambayo Bwana umeweka mbele.
Your greatest legacy is your family, which you achieved by being an ever present and attentive, loving spouse and a caring father. Your husband in a million and a family man to the call. I'll always be grateful to you for your genuine love and the sacrifice you made for me and our children. The Lord fought for you despite all the adversities you faced in the life, and I can confidently say you come, you saw and you tried.
Baba yangu mpendo, nalia kwa sauti, sijui nianze wapi. Baba, uliniacha ghafla pasipo kuniaga. Je, ulikuwa na haraka ya kwenda wapi?
He was assassinated by assassins believed to be from one former governor of Meru County. His body was discovered on December 6th, 2023 by a resident fetching water at Majarani.
Your voice may have been silenced, but your impact will never be forgotten. I will never forget our last chat on December 2023 when you shared with me the last video you posted online that made those who killed you, who murdered you, look for you and kill you. Sleep well, our hero sniper.